If you want, you can even extract your callback and use an array. For example, we can have const call1 equal something like this, request response next, and here we have next, and we can use console.log call1. Okay, we can use another, for example, call2, and we can have call3, and without next but with send. So we can do rest.send get method. If you want, you can simplify this method, and you can use only app.get, of course the usual basic route, and here you can use call1, call2, and call3. And if you start your server again, app.length, oh sorry, this is app.get. I don't know why I've misspelled get. Now just start again your server started. If you invoke the get method, here you have get method, and inside your terminal you can see console log call1, call2, and call3.